Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and hello New Year's, hello 2022. So yesterday I spent it going through the house and decluttering 22 items. I grabbed 22 different items around the house that I wasn't using, haven't used in the past year, and I put them in a box, closed up the box, took them straight to the donation site. And I'll tell you what, I know that I donated 22 items, but I could only recall maybe 5 of the items that I put in there. So that tells me I didn't really need it. So I just wanted to tell you a little story before I got started. That's how my New Year's Day went. But today is Sunday and it is football, and I will be watching football, but I needed to get started on some of my swaps, and I'm going to be using the friendly hello. So I said I'll just start the video camera and quickly show them a little tip of what I'm going to be doing. This is an old technique, but I haven't used it in forever. This is one of the celebration stamp sets that you're going to get when you purchase $50 or more, and that is going to be from the new celebration, or from the new mini catalog, and then you can choose from the celebration catalog. And I will show you this when it goes live on January 4th. So a couple more days and then we can start buying and earning our free stamp sets. And just so you know, I am going to be having my January class. It is going to be the Sweet Talk Suite, which has the sweet conversations and the dies. That is the stamp set bundle that you would need to purchase, or $50 or more would get you into this class for free. So I am doing my classes a little bit different this year. So you have until January 10th to purchase this. So again, it goes on sale on the 4th. So you have the 4th through the 10th to purchase this bundle. I'm going to be using the entire suite, which has paper and some little rhinestones. Speaking of rhinestones, look at how beautiful these iridescent rhinestones are. The new catalog has so many great items. But okay, enough about that. Let's get started. I want to just show you the baby wipe technique. If you have not seen it, I'm going to be using, again, the Hello Friend from this set, and then I'll be using other items. But for right now, I'm just going to show you how I do the Hello Friend. Go ahead, take a snapshot of this before I go ahead and move it or cover it up. And that has the brand new host code there. Alrighty, I am bringing out a baby wipe, and I've made it to the size that I need so that I don't go over. And that is it. I really could even go one more, but I'm going to leave it just as is. And then I've got my basic white paper, and we need to do 6 of these. So I've got my Daffodil Delight and my Real Red. You guys, rainbows are all the rage right now. So I picked a couple colors that'll make a really nice rainbow. So I'm just putting this on here. And I'm putting enough. And that's the Daffodil Delight there. I know it looks brown. Isn't that weird? And then here is the red. This one is Real Red. And these are just re-inkers. And you could get these all on your own in single packs. And it is to re-ink your pads. But I'm going to go ahead and use them on the baby wipe. This is an oldie but a goodie. And then I'm going to put some right in the middle over that red as well. And hopefully, if our science works properly, what color is it going to make? We will see. So I'm just going to take my Hello Friend and I'm going to put it in there just like I would an ink pad. So I'm basically creating an ink pad. And then I'm going to hold that down for just a moment. And look at that. Is that so cool? So as I do it, I'm going to make sure to stay in about the same spots and just do that again. And you'll see as I continue to do it, it's going to move those colors around, and they're just going to start getting better and better. Look at that. See how nice these are coming out now? So I just make a whole sheet of them. I only need 8 cards, but I just go through and make a whole sheet, and then that way I can take out what I don't need. Look at how beautiful these are coming out. Super easy, super quick. And I'll do this one right here, and you'll see the difference between the two. Isn't that amazing? So the first one was just kind of, you could use it if you want, and I will show you before I leave how you could use it. I love this so much. So nice. And it's just getting nicer and nicer as we go. Look at that. I hope you like these little techniques. Let me know. And these one I'm going to just turn sideways because I want to get more out of it. And you can always just use these later. You can use, once you have them all in here, you can put a die. You can cut it and use a die if you'd like. But these are so fun just to keep on going. Just like that. And now I think I pretty much have enough for my swaps. And I will keep that in case I want to do something else with it. But now that I have this, and you still want this one, but you don't love it because it's kind of, you know, you really can't tell, just get out your Stampin' Right marker. You can get any color. This one happens to be just the basic black, and you can go right over those outlines, and it'll look like it is hand drawn and then colored in, but it hand draws so nicely. See how this is going? You just outline, and it looks like you have drawn it yourself, or if you can do it super straight, then it looks like it's on purpose. But I wiggle a little bit when I'm trying to draw a straight line. But look at how cute that is. And that just puts all of that right into place. This one's going to be a little bit hard for me. There, yep, I got out of the circle, but that's okay. And then here, we're going to just go right around. There we go. Then you can just pop that one down. Ooh, I'm going to have to clean that up. And just go around like this with your black marker. And you see how that just makes it super put together, right? That is so cute. All right, let's make some cards out of these. And I can't show you the cards. Why? Because it's for my swaps and people will know. So I think I got more than 8 good ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That one's kind of still not 100% for me, but it's still nice. But there you go, a whole entire row. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos from me. And I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful Sunday. Bye.